What's up, guys? And today this is my other gameplay. Now we're back playing Mobile Legends. Today we reached 7 subscribers, so guys, we need a few more to reach 1,000. And now next we will reach 10,000. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe this video so you won't see this other. You can subscribe to my other channel. You can subscribe to my other channel, Kirkazia and Friends. It has 29 subscribers. So guys, you can subscribe to me. And my second channel, I have to pin it in the comments. I have to pin it in the description below. So if you want to check it out, I'm gonna pin it in the description. So guys, we reached rank 1 on Grandmaster. Ranked 1 on Grandmaster. Now we need few more to reach. We have to reach Epic. We have to reach. Look, I already have my own new photo frame on my Mobile Legends account. And now look, today I gotta show you some new skins I have. Look at this. I buy all of these. Look at this. What? What? Pwede mo ilibre? Cool. Yun ang mga dito. Pwede mo ilibre. Okay na. Titingnan mo to. Wow, so many. And we got the Z-Long one. So now we have to go to the araw-araw. Tapos today we're gonna play on classics. So guys, we're gonna be playing on classic. So guys, you can check out all of my Mobile Legends videos that I posted. So you can go check them out. It's in my channel. And also, Kyle reached 195 subscribers. So, Kyle, if you're watching this, congratulations, bro. And we have these. I think I picked. So I'm on the mage. So I'm Leonin.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Okay, now let's go play. Let's go, mga Lodi. Wow, galing. Wow, Elite Venom, Summer, Epic, Cyber. Ako na lang wala skin kay Nana kasi wala ko napili. Maybe when I reach Epic, ma-show you ako, pili ako skin. So guys, go check it out.
Salubong tayong multo. At least fresh ako. Malay niyo pogi yung multo. So ayan mga Hansel.
So guys, I'm watching Hans Doel while I'm playing.
Legit na talaga tong 3 AM challenge.
Wow, grabe manito. So I'm on the red team with my tropas, and today mag-defeat tayo yun ang blue team dito o ang kalaban natin. So guys, magaling ako magamitin kay Nana. Mag-concern ako sa inyo. So guys, I'm not gonna be on the mid lane kasi mage ako. Kasi mag... So guys, you have to click this, the AOE. And tapos you have to gamitin kani. Hindi ako magamitin na frame shot kasi wala pa kalaban. Fuck, nabutunat ako. Tugaw mo kayo.
The sky, the clouds, the grass, and the fairies.
Alisin. Grabe mga kayo. Isang dangkal. Magtapos na naman ito. So guys, you have to click on turret. Ay, ayan may kalaban.
I can control my power now.
Gabo kayo. Uy, ang grabe na dodge. Grabe ang sobrang lagging.
Yeah. One for the little girl who lives down the lane.
Ayan na, nag-guard siya. Galing siya. Ano, wow, na-dodge ang attack ko. Pak, naumos naman siya mamatay. Sige na.
Nana has learned to
go.
control her power.
Uy, sino yan? Si Karina man yan. Ang tropa ko eh. Ano si Edith? Namatay yun ang tropa ko eh. So, okay na Uy, sakto. Bigay. Gunitin mo yung sama. Ano? Ikaw mo kayo din? Isa pa ka. Na.
Apple pies are the best.
Ayaw ba? Hala, tingnan mo mga lodi. Patay. Gaba kayo.
Back to the forest.
Gama kayo. Nawala ko nakita ni Layla. Matalo na naman. Sakto. Uy, sakto.
Out in the moving
Grabe.
forest.
Gama kayo na first kill ako kay si Moskov yun ng hala, tingnan mo
Nana told me not to judge others.
na patay na naman ako tropa ay grabe ba sobrang grabe iwan na naman ako si Joanna. You can go to all of my check to all of my videos. Guys, please subscribe. Sana all.
Elves are so
Ate! Guys, tigger tayo. Hello guys, basta na ko ang anin ni Nanapod. So guys, you know that I'm a professional at killing people kasi sobrang ako galing. Guys, killer tayo. Isang dangkal. Tapos mabalik ako kasi na-low ako. Mga live ko. Mga live ko. Wow, meron tayo another Layla. Ito pa. Natin yun. So guys, have you heard about the Serbian dancing lady na kakita? Nakita ko eh.
It's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself up.
Nandito na si Dairon!
In the Moonlit Forest. Don't bully me. An ally.
Let's go! Ang ally natin nag-stay ng turtle. Heh! Mapupuntahan natin nito.
I will share everything with you because we are
Daloy,
friends.
dadalo yan. Yun ang atin ay so pagod.
Let me protect you. I can control my power now. Ally has been slain. Don't bully me. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Hi-ya. Good game.
Wow, ang galing.
Good game. Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters. Don't bully me. An enemy has been slain.
And speaking of this thing,
Good game. Hi-ya. One for the little girl who lives down the lane. You destroyed a turret. Don't bully me. You have slain an enemy.
nakinan mo mga tropa, napatay na ako eh.
An enemy has been
Ish.
slain. Our turret team destroyed.
Na, our army day turret is naguba.
Launch
Ano ba
attack.
yan?
Has been slain. Double kill. Mega kill.
Ang sakin yan eh,
The
sakto.
clouds, the grass, and the berries.
Yes, let's go na. Panana naman tayo, tropa. Next,
Don't bully me.
ako na yan.
Your team destroyed a turret. Why are you ignoring me? An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
wala man ako na pinatay. Ang galing ko. Alalala. Let's go, panalo na tayo mga Lodi. So now guys, this is the end of our vlog. So guys, thank you guys for watching and see you on my next vlog. So bye bye.